Howdy folks, welcome to Katie Phillips Scrapbook Designs. I'm Katie, and today we're going to work on a birthday card for one of the ladies that I work with. This is going to be the last card album that I do for a while. It won't be the last one that I do, period, but it'll be the last one I do for a while. And we're going to use some really old scraps for this. This is the Memorandum collection by Pink Paisley, and I've just got a little bit of it left. So I may go ahead and recycle whatever little bits and pieces I have left when we get to the end of this project. We shall see. This is going to be a trifold card with a couple of DIY photo corners, and I put together a proof of concept here just to make sure that what I was working on is going to work. And I'll go through the process of making one set of these photo corners. I've got two other sets already cut but not assembled yet, and there's also going to be a waterfall on the inside right flap of this card. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to assemble the card, then we'll put create the photo corners and get them attached to their mats, and then we'll add the waterfall, add these little mats to the card base, and then put together the sentiments and the photo mats that are going to go inside these photo cornered mats. So let's get started. Okay, we're all done with this little micro card slash scrapbook album. I kept the cover really simple because the idea is that the recipient will be able to pull this card out and attach a photo and flip it around like that. So I don't want a whole lot of bulk or embellishment on the front to get in the way of that. Same here. This is probably going to be where we all sign the card, and then if she wants to put a photograph on this piece, she can just flip it around and glue the photo down, or just pull it out entirely if she wants to. So next week, well, I think that's going to be the next video should be the flip through and project share for my summer mini album. So don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe if you want to get a notification when the summer album goes live. And see y'all next time. Bye.